I'm Skyler Bouchard, a food blogger and beauty enthusiast with a genuine curiosity for how the two go hand in hand. I'm also a recovering coffee addict. And while drinking a lot of coffee isn't the best for you, there can be many advantages to applying it to your skin. Today I'll be going to Faina European Day Spa and getting a coffee body wrap and scrub, then I'll be doing my own at home. This is Treat Yourself with Skyler. Over the past several decades, coffee has been one of the most studied dietary components. And lucky for us coffee lovers, the news is mostly good. Moderate coffee consumption, 3 to 4 cups per day, has been linked with a longer lifespan. Researchers believe that it may protect against type 2 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, liver cancer, and heart disease. In addition to being good for our bodies, it also has benefits when put on our bodies. Coffee is great for decreasing puffiness around the eyes, increasing circulation, minimizing cellulite, and it's of course an excellent natural exfoliator. Time to go try this for myself. But first, coffee.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? I'm Skyler. Nice to meet
Faina.
you.
Welcome to Faina European Spa.
Thank you. This is so nice.
All set, Skyler?
Yes.
Awesome.
Hi.
Ready for your treatment?
I'm looking
Hi.
and feeling great.
Awesome. Means you're gonna definitely smell as coffee. And we're gonna
love
start with the scrubbing your body, opening the pores before we're gonna wrap you up, okay?
Awesome.
The main ingredients of the coffee treatment is caffeine, which helps to detoxify the skin, firm the skin, and helps with the anti-cellulite.
I've actually always wanted to be covered in coffee because I love it so much.
See, a dream come true.
It really is.
Now, we're gonna be sending you to the shower. And whenever you're ready with the shower, we're gonna go to the next part of the wrapping and fixing it up, everything, okay? Skyler, now you're gonna lay down the head this way, but you're gonna start on your stomach, okay? And we're gonna start working on your thighs, addressing your cellulite and the issues that you wanted to be fixed, okay? The main ingredient of this mixture that I'm applying for you, Skyler, is actually caffeine itself. It means that's the magic wrap that's gonna actually improve your skin as far as the firming and minimizing cellulite and detoxifying to your skin.
Now that I'm in my little cocoon, I'm gonna go to sleep. I didn't think I could love coffee more than I already do, but today proved me wrong. My skin feels firm and energized, and while I don't see immediate results, I know this is something that works over time. For some reason, cellulite's still a taboo topic, and I find it really comforting to know that there is a natural remedy for those who feel insecure about it. So thank you, Faina, you're a gem. Since no one I know really has the time or money to do spa treatments like this one often, I decided to make my own coffee scrub that you can keep in your shower and use all the time. Let's make a scrub. Okay, to make this scrub, you will first need 1 cup of coffee grounds. My hands are shaking from all the coffee. 6 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. You might wanna chop it up a little bit. Smell of delight. All right, I think we've got our scrub all ready to go. Another thing I love about this is that it's all natural products and I know exactly what's going on to my skin because I made it. So if you're still skeptical about the benefits of coffee, I encourage you to try this at home just so you can see the amazing things it can do for your skin. Thanks so much for watching this episode. I'll see you next time. Do you have a food you want me to try next time on Treat Yourself with Skyler? Let me know in the comments below. To subscribe to Food Network, click here. To watch more videos, click here.